In his autobiography, Total Recall, Arnold Schwarzenegger talks about how he built a great body and won the Mr. Universe title and the Mr. Olympia title, and how he became a great actor even though people in Hollywood made fun of him because he had a funny name and a funny accent and spoke in broken English, and how he became the governor of California, and how he became a real estate mogul and a very successful entrepreneur. Here is the secret to Arnold's legendary work ethic. He said, whatever you want to be great at, do more reps of that thing, and then do even more reps. Everything in life is about reps, reps, and reps. That was the mantra he lived by while preparing for Mr. Universe. He did more and more and more reps. He decided to outwork his competition by doing more reps. In his book, Encyclopedia of Modern Bodybuilding, Arnold talks about the idea that, let's say you want to build a better body, but today you may not be able to do 20 pull-ups at a time. That's okay. Commit to doing 20 pull-ups no matter how much time it takes, no matter how much rest you have to take in between those pull-ups. Just commit to the reps. Just commit to those 20 pull-ups today. That is the key to building a great body and a great life. So if you want to develop an insane work ethic like Arnold Schwarzenegger, you must commit to the reps mindset. You must commit to the mindset that everything in life is reps, reps, and then even more reps. Whatever you want to get good at, do it more and do it more often. That's how you will develop a legendary work ethic.